gonna do the challenge, the Monster Smash Challenge. I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight when the monster from his slab began to rise. And suddenly, to my surprise, he did the smash, he did the Monster Smash. Today I'm going to make a cocktail called the Screaming Banshee. She's screaming, she's screaming, she's screaming, that Banshee. And so, on with the show. Cocktail Tony says, let's go. Yeah. I'm going to muddle some mint for the herb. Mint for the herb. Mint, mint for the herb. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Oh, the mint is sticking right to my muddler. I'm going to put in 1 ounce of cranberry juice. 1 ounce of gin. 1.5 ounces of gin. 3 ounces of gin. 1.5 ounces of gin. 1.5 ounces of rum. Oh, we're going to be drinking now, Vino. This doesn't fit. It's the wrong top. And also going to put in 1 ounce of Blue Curacao. Why? Because it's blue. 1 ounce of Blue Curacao. None of these caps are going on the right bottles. And I don't know why. I don't know why. And 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon. Why? Because Dave Edwards says use fresh squeeze, it's better. And Dave Edwards is over there at Booze on the Rocks. 1 ounce. And some simple syrup. Half an ounce of simple syrup. Whoa. Half an ounce. Simple syrup. Shake with some ice. And I'm shaking. And we're going to double strain. Oh. 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 It's the Screaming Banshee. Will you just look at that Screaming Banshee go? Oh, yeah.
Garnish.
Garnish. Garnish. Garnish. There you go. It's the Screaming Banshee. Yeah. And don't forget, Cocktail Tony says, get a vaccination, wear a mask, and call your mama. Cocktail Tony over and out.